Hey developers, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to run your Flutter app using Visual Studio Code in 2025 from setup to emulator. Even if you are brand new, you will have your app running in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Flutter SDK and click the first link, or you can also search flutter.dev, then click the first link, then click get started button, then choose your OS like Windows, then desktop. Scroll down and you can see that option like Flutter extension for VS Code, and click download install. Then continue and open Visual Studio and click install and trust publisher and install. Now it's installing. Once Flutter is installed, you can check it with a simple command. Open your terminal or command prompt, then run Flutter doctor, then enter. This command checks if everything's ready: SDK, Android Studio, VS Code, and device setup. You can run here Flutter doctor, download and install Visual Studio Code. Go to extensions, Shift Control Shift X, and install Flutter from here. These extensions give you syntax highlighting, device control, and hot reload features. Open versus code terminal, Control plus backtick. Go to the folder, now go to the VS Code terminal, from here, and run Flutter create my app. Go to the folder and cd my app. Open the folder in VS Code. Write code. Now you have got Flutter starter project ready to run. You can use Android emulator, iOS simulator, real phone, open emulator or plug in your device. In VS Code, click the device selector at the bottom and choose your device. And that's it. You have just run your first Flutter app in VS Code. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more Flutter tips, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on building your first UI or connecting to Firebase. See you on the next time. Thanks for watching.